Hi, I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and today I am making epis. Epis is a Haitian spice that every Haitian family have in their fridge. If you have a love for Haitian food or been thinking about making Haitian food, epis is a must. We use epis in all our dishes. Here are my ingredients: green onions, parsley, garlic, red and green bell peppers. In this bowl, I have 2 cubes of Maggi, Adobo seasoning, onion powder, black pepper, and cloves. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first steps we're gonna do is wash our vegetables. So I'm just going to place them in this bowl right here. After that, I'll show you what the next steps are. Okay, so my vegetables are nice and clean. Go ahead and peel your garlic. I'm just going to chop the ends. After peeling the garlic, so just set them aside. And just take your green onions and chop them up and place them in your blender. Take your green bell pepper, chop it in half. Remove the core. Go ahead and chop your bell pepper. Take your red bell pepper, chop it in half. Remove the core. Chop your red bell pepper. Place it in the blender. Take your spice and the garlic, place everything in the blender. Add your olive oil. So we're just going to blend this down a little bit before adding the parsley. Okay guys, take your parsley and just remove the stem and place it in your blender. After adding all your ingredients in here, go ahead and blend your ingredients. After blending everything, pour it into a mason jar. And this is how you make Haitian epis. So every time you want to make Haitian food, just grab it out of your fridge and voila. Thanks for watching.